Is that clear? Sorry, I want to have. So this one will be what by 2.8033. Is that clear? Now, in this aspect now, we have this by 2.8033. Now you cannot get the antilog. How are you going to find the antilog of this? When you are looking for antilog, if you check your antilogarithms table, you find that the antilog starts with points a value. 0.1, 0.00, 0.01, 0.02, 0.03, 0.04, like that. Now we are starting here, 0.80 under 3. What will be 0.80 under 3? 6353. 0.80 under 3. Difference 3 is what? 4. So you have 6357. When you add 4 to 53, that will be 6357. You are adding 4 to this place. So that will be 6357. Now, we are not through with it. When we have gotten the antilog of this, now if you could remember, we did not use the first value here, this bar. We are now going to use it. It is this bar now that will tell you how many zero are you going to add to this. How many zero? You have bar 2, which means you are going to put 2 zeros to it at the beginning, at the start of the value. So you just put 0.0. Exactly 0.0. If it is 3, you put 30. 0.0. No, you are not putting the bar. It is the bar now that makes it to be what? To be zeros. Exactly. If this is not having bar, if it is not having bar, you are going to count from this place, from the center, 0, 1, 2. That's where you put the points. Exactly. But if it is having bar, it means you should add zeros. How many bar is it having? If it is having 4 bar, add 4 zeros to it. Having 5 bar, add 5 zeros to it at the beginning. Exactly. So that's how to solve this. Would you believe that this, using calculator straightforward, should give you this answer? You can check later. So you can use calculator without using log at all. Just punch calculator by saying 0.8621 multiplied by this. Whatever I give you, square root it, it should give you this. If this one is not having bar, this bar 3 is not having bar. Let's assume it's 3.6065. If it is not having bar, you divide it straight like that. You use calculator to divide it. You did get that? It's because it's having bar. That is why we are splitting it. There is a way of solving it when it is having bar. Exactly. You can use, there are some calculator that you can use to solve this without having difficulties on it. Exactly. Now, we have this also. In this aspect now, we are having, let me first of all explain the way we solve this before we now solve it together. We have this. You find the logarithms of this. You will find the logarithms of this, then you add it together. Why are we adding it together? Because it is multiplication. You find logarithms of this, you get the logarithms of this, you add the answers together. After then, you keep that one side, the addition. Then you find the logarithms of this. The logarithms of this now, you now subtract it from your answer. Exactly. Whatever you get, you will now divide it by 3 because this is cube root. You divide it by 3. When you get your answer, then you find the anti-logarithms of the final answer. I will repeat myself again. The first thing is we get the logarithms of 65.91 and logarithms of 0.0741. Because it is multiplication here, we add the two logarithms we have gotten. Then you get the logarithms of this. Whatever you get here is subtracted from the total answer of these two logarithms that you have added initially. Now, your total answer now, you divide it by 3 because it is root. Root in logarithms, as I've said, is division. You divide it by 3, your answer, you will now get the antinomial. Now, let's get this. Let's solve this together with my explanation. You have 65.91. Now, the first thing you are going to do here is this. You know, in our first example, it started with 0. And I told you that when it starts with 0, 1 0, we have bar 1. 2 zeros, it will be bar 2. But this one is not starting with 0. It's just as if we want to convert this to our standard form. The first thing you are going to do when you are converting to a standard form, your decimal, wherever your decimal is, it must be at the center of the first two numbers to convert any value to a standard form. This is the decimal. This is the first two numbers. You replace this decimal to the first two numbers. So how many steps does it take you to reach this first two numbers? From this 0, 1. So which means you are going to put 1 point. If it is 2 steps that take you to reach this first two numbers, you write 2 points. Is that clear? Now, we can now get the logarithms. Now, you now check your logarithms table. 65 under 9 difference 1 will give us what? 65 under 9 difference 9 difference 1. 8190. Difference 1. Everything is giving us 8190. Now, let's go to the second one now. You have 0.0741. This one is starting with 0 now. Just the way we did the first example. When it is starting with 0, how many 0 did you have? 1, 2. So just put bar 2. Point. Then you now check 7 under 4 difference 1. 7 under 4 difference 1. What's it giving you? 74 under 1 rather. I think the logarithm starts with 10, 11, 12, isn't it? So 74 under 1, what's it giving you? 8698. So now we add. Why are we adding it together? Because it is multiplication. So then we add the two values together. Let's add this together. 0 plus this will give you 8. 9 plus 9, 18. Carry 1. This one will give us also 8. Isn't it? 8 plus 8 will give you 16. So you write 16 points. You put 1 here. Isn't it? 1 plus this will give you what? 2. That will be 2 minus 2. That's 2 bar 2 will give you what? Is 0. Then you put 0 here. Is that clear? Now, we have gotten this. Now we go to the second one. Second one. How are you going to go to the second one? You go 57.6.2. The way we did this, that's how we do this also. The point is here. The point is supposed to be here. So how many steps will it take you to take this point to this place? 1, 2. So you now write 2 points. Then you find 57 under 6 difference 2. 7606. That's all. Difference 2. Or odd. So that will be 7606. Now, the addition of these two is giving you this. Now we have this as this is the logarithms. Which means this divided by this means this minus this. Is that clear? Yeah. Which means you are going to subtract because it is division. Now when you subtract this, what's it going to give? This minus this will give you what? 2. This minus this, 8. This minus this, 2. This minus this will give you what? it cannot go, isn't it? Now, the surprise thing in logarithms is that you can borrow 1 from 0. You can borrow 1 from 0. It's possible. You can even borrow 1 from -1. When you borrow 1 from 0, this one is just like your number line. If you borrow 1 from